Hi, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this super quick and easy makeup look for a Little Red Riding Hood costume for Halloween. And I was inspired by this picture that I found on Pinterest. Hopefully you can see it and the light isn't reflecting too bad. If it is, I will go ahead and insert a picture into the video. I wanted to show you this real quick as well. So in the background of the video, you're going to see this picture, and this actually is my grandma, my great grandma actually. So I thought that that would be a cute little touch for this video to add a picture of my grandma, because you know, Little Red Riding Hood is going to grandma's house. Anyway, on to the makeup look. So the first thing that I did is I took the eyeshadow in the shade called Pixie Dust, and you're going to go ahead and apply that all over your eyelids, blending it up to the brow bone to act as a base. Next, go ahead and take the eyeshadows in the shades called Violet Vintage and Dirty Girl, and you're going to mix these two together. It creates this super pretty taupey, mauvey, brownish color, and you're going to go ahead and apply that all over your eyelids, starting from the outer corner and working your way in. Then take the eyeshadow in the shade called Clean Slate and apply that to the outer corner of the eyes and blend it a little bit into the crease as well to add a little bit of depth.
Little Red Riding Hood, you sure are looking good. Has anyone else heard that song, and do you find it creepy? Because I listened to it when I was making a Halloween playlist, and it definitely sounds a little creepy.
The next step is to go ahead and line your eyes, and I used the eyeliner in the shade called Charcoal, and I went ahead and I lined my upper and lower lashes. Then I took a brush and I blended it out. I don't think I filmed the part of me blending it, but you definitely want to go ahead and blend that out with a brush to give it kind of like a soft, smoky look. Then to finish off the eyes, go ahead and apply the Lash Project mascara, and I did go ahead and I applied it to the top and the bottom lashes. Then for the lips, so in the picture she's wearing a really bright, bold, it also has some depth to it as well, red lip, but I didn't want to go as bright because my thinking was like, I'm going through the woods, I'm picking berries, I'm eating them, so I wanted more of a lip stain look. So I took the lipstick in the shade called Appley Ever After, and I dabbed that on my lips and blended it out to create a lip stain. This makeup look is complete, I'm going to go ahead and go over the costume details. Now, a lot of these items are things that I've either owned, I've thrifted, and I think there's only one thing here that I did have to end up picking up new, but I would encourage you to shop your closet when you're coming up with costume ideas. The first thing that you want for this costume is some type of white blouse. I really like a Peasant style blouse, I think that's what they would consider this, and you would want it like in a creamy off-white type color. And then you'll need a red dress. This item is something that I thrifted. And you'll also want some type of black corset top, which I also picked up thrifting. This next item is optional, and I'm still kind of debating on whether or not I'm actually going to wear it or not, but you will also want some type of like apron. And this is an item that I also thrifted, but then I did a little crafting with, so I added some lace detailing on it to make it a little bit more my style. And then, of course, you can't be Little Red Riding Hood without a hood, so, or like a cape type thing. So I did end up getting this new. I looked at like 3 different thrift shops and I could not find this anywhere, so I did pick this up off of Amazon. And then for shoes, I'm just going to be wearing my little boots here. That's all you need for the costume. I'm going to go ahead and change, and I will be right back. And this is the completed Halloween makeup look. I hope that you all enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for liking and subscribing. And until next time, take care. Bye! Oh, real quick, do you all want to meet the wolf? Okay, come here. here. Wanna be in the camera? Little wolf? Oh, little wolf. This is little Bella Wolf. She's kind of camera shy. Thank you. All right, take care. Bye.